Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 21st March 2024. Let us first look into the US market. US market, the FOMC meeting ended with a positive note. Let us at a high level point-wise see the outcome of the FOMC meeting. Point number one, Fed kept the interest rate unchanged fifth time in a row. Point number two, the projection for the interest rate for the current year, that is, earlier it was committed that it will be three times in a year of 0.25%. This also stands valid as part of this FOMC meeting. And the projection of rate cut for Jan 26, that is also said to be three times in a year of 0.25%. So this year it is three times 0.25% cut, and next year also it is three times 0.25% rate cut is what no again it all will be data driven, but right now as part of this FOMC meeting, so it will be three times rate cut for this year and three times rate cut for next year, all around 0.25%. Okay, and point number three, US GDP to be at 2.1%. Earlier it was 1.4%. Again, no, the projection seems to be better than what it was estimated earlier. And US unemployment rate projection is 4.1% instead of 4%. So better unemployment rate and better GDP growth, followed by few rate cuts for this year and next year, is the outcome of the FOMC meeting. US market traded flat during the FOMC meeting, but after the FOMC meeting and the outcome was dovish. So the market coming back to the Indian market, it's a gap up opening for Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Nifty opened around 120 points higher, then moved up to around 230 points higher, finally ended up 172 points higher. Bank Nifty also it's a gap up opening today, but it went up to 650 point higher, then finally ended up with 375 points higher. In Bank Nifty, except ICICI Bank, rest of the bank stocks traded positive. Nifty also, if you look at almost all the stocks were trading positive. Probably, if you look at the advanced decline ratio is 6 is to 1 today. So you imagine that it's very hard to find out. Probably, I would say it's a relief rally for us today because it's a continuous fall for almost 2 weeks. We touched 22,500 all-time high, and from there we started falling continuously for except 1 or 2 days and ended up around 700 points lower. So because of the FOMC meeting, which ended with a positive note, it's a relief rally for us today. Hope the bulls will defend this relief and continue to trade higher in the following days, I believe. And if you look at globally, European market traded positive during our market hours. And in Asian market also, if you look at Japan, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Korea, all three ended 2% higher. Japan, no, yesterday it touched the 40,000 mark, and today it is trading around close to 41,000. It touched 40,000, it crossed the 40,800 mark today. So Japan stock market Nikkei is also trading all-time higher. So that's again gives a some comfort that NSE also, our stock market also will continue to trade in the positive territory going forward. Sector-wise, if you look at almost all sectors ended positive today. Reality sector, if you look at many stocks were up by 4 to 12%. Reality sector, if you look at Soba up by 12%, Swan Energy up by 6%, Godrej Properties up by 4%, and DLF up by 3.5%. And metal stocks also traded positive today. Hindustan Copper up by 7%, Nalco up by 6%, JSP up by 5%, and SAIL up by 4%. PSU stocks also traded positive today. REC, PFC, BHEL, Pal Pharma, everything traded positive today. But one thing that is specific about is the pipe stocks. The pipe stocks also traded positive today. High tech pipes, high tech pipe around 10% traded positive today. Venus pipe, Jain irrigation. So all these stocks are traded positive. For Indian market, it's a relief rally today after continuous around 700 points for the last few days. Hope this relief rally will support the bulls will support this relief rally and continue to trade positive because the global cues are very good and the US features also were trading positive today. I believe probably for next couple of days we will probably move up and reach that 22,500 mark. Then probably Nifty might consolidate around 22,300 to 22,500 level is what my view is. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.